In a quiet corner of a bustling city, there was an old house with an attic that hadn't been explored for years. One rainy afternoon, a curious young boy named Alex found himself rummaging through the dusty boxes up there. As Alex shifted through the boxes, he stumbled upon a small box. Inside, he found an old rusty tea. The tea was unlike any he had seen before, and it had a peculiar ancient design. Alex's eyes then fell upon a hidden door at the far end of the attic, a door he had never noticed before. It was old and covered in dust with a keyhole. With a mixture of excitement and hesitation, Alex inserted the key in the keyhole. The door opened slowly, and he ran in the room bathed in the orange light. Inside the room, Alex found an ancient book resting on a pedestal. The book was adorned with glowing rods, and it seemed to hum with a gentle, magical vulture. When Alex opened the book, a soft, magical light filled the room. The pages were filled with beautiful illustrations and enchanting stories from a time long forgotten. As Alex read a passage from the book, the room seemed to come alive with scenes from the stories. He saw magical creatures, distant lands, and brave heroes all unfolding light before his eyes. After spending hours losing the magic of the book, Alex knew he had discovered something truly special. He closed the book and left the attic, his heart filled with wonder and the promise of more adventures to come. Sometimes the greatest discoveries are hidden in the places we least expect. Thanks for joining Alex on his adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more magical stories.